Hi, so I have a friend that's about to call me right now. Her name is Danielle. She's a line cook at a famous restaurant called Spago in Beverly Hills, where I used to work at. So we used to work together for about 2 years. She's very talented line cook. She's always smiling. She's an adorable person. She's like my little sister.
On her days off, she runs catering business called BAEked LA. Look at these amazing pastries she makes.
Oh, there she is.
Hi, Chef. How are you?
Hey Danielle, what's up? How's BAEked LA going?
Thanksgiving and Christmas is coming up, so we just released our holiday menu.
Wow, that's really exciting. I hope it goes well. Hey, so I started a YouTube channel and I'm taking requests from my friends what to cook for the videos. Do you have a request?
How about Korokke, Chef?
Korokke?
Japanese Korokke.
Korokke like with potatoes?
Potatoes and meat.
I didn't know you like korokke so much. Korokke it is. I'll share my recipe with you, okay?
Alright. See ya.
See you later. Talk to you soon.
So she's requesting korokke today. All-time Japanese favorite. They sell them everywhere in Japan, like grocery store, butcher shop for some reason, and when it's straight out of fryer, it's so delicious. In 1887, the French croquette was introduced to Japan. It is thought that korokke using mashed potato was invented because dairy processing technology had not been popularized in Japan at that time. Straight out of Wikipedia, it's very, very informative. Okay, let's start making korokke. I'm going to cook these potatoes with skin on. I'm a true believer if the potatoes are cooked with the skin, they retain much more flavor. So I'm going to put these in pot. Fill it up with enough water and I'm going to boil it in the burner in the back.
I'm chopping up half of medium-sized yellow onion. Yep, onions do that. In my favorite vermicular fry pan, I'm going to saute about ½ pound of ground beef, using about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Break up the ground beef in smaller pieces as you go and cook it all the way through. Adding chopped onions I prepared earlier, and saute onions together with the meat until onion becomes tender and translucent in color. I'm going to season the mixture with salt, pepper, sugar, and soy sauce. Last but not least, nutmeg. Cook until no liquid is left. This is to intensify the flavor and to make sure potato mixture later on isn't going to be too soft. The potatoes I've been cooking on the back burner should be about ready.
So I'm going to take a wooden skewer and just put them like this. See, it comes off easily like that. That means potatoes are ready.
Okay, let's dump the water out completely, and we're going to peel the potatoes while the potatoes are still hot. This is challenging task.
It's hot, but potato skin, they're much easier to peel them when the potatoes are still hot, so.
Good job peeling those potatoes. Take potato masher and crush the potatoes. You don't have to make them into puree, just crush them lightly. That's about it. Combine the beef mixture with the crushed potatoes and mix them thoroughly. Take about 2 to 3 ounces of the potato mixture and form them into oval shaped patty. When you do this, try not to include any air pockets. Air pockets will make the korokke pop in the fryer oil and it's quite dangerous. This recipe should make about 8 korokkes.
Now I'm going to put this in the fridge and make it really cold. Okay, now so the potato mixture is ice cold. You want to make sure they're cooled down really well. If they're still hot, they might break. It's gonna be very hard to handle. So once they're cold like this, toss it like that, little back flip, still be okay. So make sure your potato mixture is super cold.
Beat about 2 eggs and let's start crusting the potato korokke. Coat the patty with flour and then coat them in egg wash and then in panko. Easy. Take your time and make sure your korokkes are all coated perfectly. You don't want them bursting in the fryer oil. That looks perfect. Let's fast forward and finish crusting these korokkes.
Now I'm ready to heat up some oil and deep fry these.
Heat up enough fryer oil so that korokkes will be completely submerged. If you don't have thermometer to check temperature, there's a little trick. Drop a tiny piece of panko and if it sizzles and lightly colors in about 5 seconds, the oil is ready. I'm going to fry 2 or 3 at a time. Do not overcrowd the fryer as the temperature drops significantly. Korokke should be done in 2 to 3 minutes when they have nice golden brown color. That looks really good already, doesn't it? Oh, look at that. Yay! Another important tip is to not agitate the korokke while they're frying in the fryer. Here I'm lifting the korokkes ever so slightly to ensure even cooking. Yes, that's a success. Nice golden brown color, each and every single one of them. I'm going to serve the korokke with a lot of julienne cabbage, some tomatoes, and some parsley to finish.
What do you think, Danielle? Japanese korokke. You hungry now?
Let's send Danielle a photo of my korokke.
Oh my god. You really came, huh?
What you think it is for food?
Okay, I give you.
Where's my cup?
I give you a korokke. You drove all the way for a korokke?
Yeah. Oh.
It's actually really good. I made it very nice. You don't need any sauce or anything.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it tastes really good already like that.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
Bye.
Did she like it or she loved it? Yay, she loved it. Follow Danielle and BAEked LA on Instagram. And see you till next time. Bye.